Hi everyone, my name is Annie, the product marketing specialist at Premio. I'm responsible for the full panel PC lineup. Thank you so much for joining today's webinar. In this session, I will walk you through the overview of what exactly panel PCs are and talk about the key features of Premio's panel PCs lineup. And today we will be covering 4 key series. And throughout the webinar, if you have any questions or feedback, just feel free to contact with us through the link below, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So without further ado, let's take a closer look at today's agenda. Alright, so first thing first, before we dive into the key features of each panel PC lineup, I will start by explaining the core concepts of a panel PC. We will talk about how panel PCs differ from traditional computers and where Premio solutions fit within the edge computing framework, specifically across the different segments of the user edge. And once we have established that foundation, we will take a closer look at the unique features and strengths of our 4-man series, HIO, AIO, VIO, and SIO. And finally, if you're still unsure which panel PC is the right fit for your application, don't worry, we have created a free decision toolkit. It's a step-by-step guide to help you evaluate your needs and choose the ideal HMI solution. So that's our agenda for today. Let's get started. Alright, so you might be wondering, what exactly are industrial touchscreen computers? Well, the concept is actually pretty straightforward. It's the combination of a touchscreen and an industrial-grade computer, all integrated into a single unit. These designs give us a responsive displays for hands-on control, making it ideal for HMI application. And let's take a closer look at this short video clip featuring our AIO series. Well, as you can see, on the back of the touchscreen is the rugged computer itself, and everything is built into one compact system. Now you might also be thinking, if the back is rugged, is the screen rugged too? The answer is yes. So Premio's touchscreen computers are IP65 rated, meaning they are resistant to dust and water. The front touchscreen also features 7H surface hardness and IK07 impact protection, so it's tough enough to handle industrial environments. So what's the real benefit of an industrial panel PC? It allows operators to control machines, monitor processes, and respond to alerts, all from a single compact interface that's built for reliability and durability. So now that we understand what an industrial touchscreen computer is, let's talk about where Premio's panel PC lineups fit into the bigger picture, specifically within the edge computing continuum. First of all, what exactly is the edge continuum? The edge continuum describes how computing is shifting closer to where data is actually generated, right at the source. So traditionally, when data was generating, let's say by sensors or cameras, it has to be sent all the way back to the cloud or a centralized data center for processing. But that approach came with several challenges. Well, for example, latency, bandwidth limitation, data security risk, and higher cost. With edge computing, we don't need to send all the data back to the cloud anymore. Instead, we can process it locally using powerful industrial computers equipped with CPUs, GPUs, or AI accelerators. And this enables faster decision making. And Premio focuses on a specific area in this continuum called the user edge, where data is generated and decisions need to be made in real time. Within the user edge, we break things down into 3 key segments. First, the industrial edge. This applies to controlled environments like factory floors or smart buildings. You need robust, flexible computing power, but not necessarily extreme ruggedness. And this is where our HIO series and AIO series panel PCs fit best. Next, the rugged edge. This is for harsh environments. Well, think remote sites, mobile assets, or outdoor enclosure exposed to vibration, temperature extremes, or unstable power. These applications demand durability, power efficiency, and mission-critical reliability. And this is where our VIO series excels, with modular I/O, rugged design, and edge-ready performance. Finally, the specialized edge. These are highly regulated environments such as transportation, food and beverage, and pharmaceuticals, where deployments require specific certification, like let's say EN 50155 for railway safety, IEC 62443-4-2 for industrial cybersecurity. So without this certification, systems simply can't be deployed. And this is where our SIO series come in. It offers stainless steel, IP-rated touch panel PCs built for compliance. So as you can see, our panel PC product lines are designed to align with all three of these age segments. And I will dive deeper into each lineup shortly and walk you through their key features and benefits. Here are the 4 panel PC series we will be covering today. So let me introduce them one by one. First, we have the HIO series. This is our open frame panel PC, which means there's no outer casing, making it easy to seamlessly integrate into your own system design. It's ideal for OEMs and embedded system integrators who want flexibility and direct internal access. Next is our AIO series. It features strong computing performance combined with a touchscreen monitors in a compact all-in-one design. It's ideal for streamlined industrial deployments and eliminates the need for separate components. Following that is the VIO series. The standout features here is its modular design. You can mix and match different display sizes with different computing modules, giving you much more flexibility. And as you can see, it offers one of the widest range of display size from 12.1 all the way to 24 in both 4:3 and 16:9 aspect ratios. And last but not least, we have the SIO series. This series is specifically built for environments with strict hygiene requirements such as food and beverage or pharmaceutical production. It features a full stainless steel design and is IP69K rated, perfect for high-pressure washdowns and sanitary applications. Now let's take a closer look at our HIO series. As I mentioned earlier, this series features an open frame design. As you can see here, there's no outer casing, which makes it easy to integrate into a wide range of customer enclosures or embedded systems. The model we currently have in the HIO series is HIO 200ADL, and it has 3 sizes, 10.1, 15.6, and 21.5 inches. One of its key features is that it's built on Premio's CTDAL01 motherboard, which supports the Intel Alder Lake N97 processor. This processor is optimized for low power consumption and can deliver quad-core performance. It also supports DDR5 memory, providing high bandwidth and fast data access. For connectivity, it includes 2 LAN ports and supports up to 10 USB ports, including internal USB headers. It also features an M.2 key, so it can support Wi-Fi 6E. On the ruggedness side, it has an IP65 rated front panel and 7H IK07 surface hardness to protect against scratches and impacts. So overall, the HIO 200ADL offers a great balance of performance, flexibility, and integration-ready design, making it a strong choice for embedded HMI applications. So after the HIO series, let's move on to our all-in-one solution, the AIO series, which is ideal for industrial automation applications. It packs strong computing powers, enhanced connectivity, and even supports 5G connectivity through dual SIM cards. So it's built for fast, real-time operations in connected environments. And here's some exciting news. We're launching the AIO monitors this June, and is a standalone version of the AIO without the built-in computer. And it's perfect if you just need a tough industrial touchscreens to control your system. Now let me walk you through the features of our AIO 200 ASL3L. This model just launched in this January and is built on Premio's CTDAL11 motherboard. What's really nice about it is that it supports two processors options. You can go with the Intel N97 or set up to the more powerful Intel Atom X7835RE, which has 8 efficient cores and low power consumption. So it's great if you need something that can handle multitasking and heavier workloads without using too much energy. On the connectivity side, it comes with 3 LAN ports, 2 USB ports, and 2 COM ports. And for wireless connectivity, it supports 5G and Wi-Fi 6E. So you're all set for fast, modern networking. And there's also an optional 2.5 SSD kit if you want to expand your storage. So overall, you're getting solid performance, great I/O, and flexible storage, all in one streamlined system. So just like I mentioned earlier, this June we will be launching the monitor-only options from our AIO series. It's built with the same rugged design as our panel PCs, so you're still getting that IP65 rated front panel and 7H IK07 surface hardness, which means it can handle dust, water splashes, and physical impact. It will be available in 3 sizes as well, 10.1, 15.6, and 21.5 inches. So you have got flexibility depending on your application needs. And yes, it is also UL certified, so it meets key safety standards for industrial deployments. So stay tuned, we will be sharing more details soon as we get closer to launch. Alright, so far we have covered the HIO series and the AIO series. Now let's shift our focus a little closer to the rugged edge and talk about our VIO series. So why is the VIO series ideal for rugged environments? The first reason is Premio's patent's modular design technology. The VIO series offers 7 screen size options and supports 3 different PC modules. This gives you the flexibility to mix and match displays and compute modules based on your specific deployment needs. So screen size, check. Computing performance, check. And that's not all. It is also IP65 rated, built to withstand harsh environments, and offers M.2 expansions along with hot-swappable storage, making it a strong fit for rugged industrial applications that need both performance and durability. Alright, let's dive a little bit deeper into our VIO modules. I will start with the versions that come with a more basic processor, the Intel 7th Gen Core i5-7300U. So it's a dual-core chip with a 15 watts DDP. So even though it's not the most high-end CPU, it's still a great fit for moderate workloads or when you need to run legacy software reliably. It supports DDR4 memory and goes up to 16 GB, which is more than enough for most HMI and control applications. And in terms of I/O, you are getting a pretty rich setup: 2 LAN, 4 USB, 6 COM, and 8 DIO. And here's a nice bonus. This model includes a hot-swappable 2.5 inches SATA drive, which is super helpful for applications that needs data backup. And a couple of other standout features include, firstly, high brightness displays and also optical bonding for better readability, especially in challenging lighting conditions. And just like I mentioned earlier, the VIO series supports 7 screen sizes, ranging from 12.1 to 23.8 inches in both 4:3 and 16:9 aspect ratios. So if you're looking for modular flexibility in a rugged deployments, the VIO series is a strong fit. Now let's talk about the next model, VIO 200 PC100 EHL. This one comes with a more advanced processors, Intel Alcor Lake. With a 10 watts TDP and quad-core architecture, it offers a great balance between power efficiency and solid performance, making it a strong choice for a more demanding application. And just like the previous KPL version, it supports a wide range of touchscreen size, has swappable storage and rugged features like an IP65 rated front panel and a die-cast aluminum frame for durability. But what really sets this model apart is its support for CAN bus and power ignitions management, two features that are especially important for vehicle-based or mobile industrial deployments. And lastly, it is UL listed, which makes it a great fit for industrial environments that require certified safety compliance. Looking ahead, we have got something exciting coming in Q4 this year. So we will be launching the new PC600 MTL module for the VIO series. This next-gen model will bring even better performance. It features Intel Lattice 14th Gen CPU, DDR5 memory, and supports 4 M.2 slots, including B key, M key, and E key, for even greater expandability and customization. If you're looking for serious performance and flexibility at the rugged edge, this one's definitely worth keeping an eye on, so stay tuned, more details to come soon. Now that we have covered the rugged edge, let's shift over to the specialized edge, and this is where our SIO series comes in. So this series is purpose-built for industries with strict hygiene and safety requirements like pharmaceutical manufacturing and the food and beverage industry. And the SIO series features a full SUS 316 stainless steel enclosure, waterproof M12 connectivity, and an IP69K rated front panel, which means it can handle high pressure washdowns and tough sanitary conditions without any issue. So let's take a closer look at the models and see what else it brings to the table. So there are two models in the SIO series, and I will start with the one powered by the Intel Celeron J1900. Well, in terms of performance, this processor is more on the basic side, I would say, but it's low power and works well for simple control tasks, especially in environments where durability matters more than high compute performance. Now, besides the rugged stainless steel construction and IP69K front panel I mentioned earlier, this model also features a stainless steel pressure vents, which help regulate internal pressure in fully sealed enclosures. And that's especially useful in humid or temperature fluctuating environments where pressures buildup can be an issue. And on the front, it comes with 7H tempered glass and optical bonding, which adds durability and improves screen clarity even in bright or steamy conditions. For connectivity, all AIO ports use rugged M12 connector, making them water resistant and secure, and it's perfect for frequent washdowns as well. And this model is available in two screen sizes, 15 and 15.6 inches, both in a fully enclosed, hygiene-safe design built for industry like food production and pharmaceuticals. The next model in the SIO series is powered by the Intel Core i5-A365UE processor. Well, in terms of rugged design, it offers the same level of protection as the previous model. Also, like the last model, this one includes a full-size mini PCIe slots, a full touch function on and off switch, and 3 mounting options, so you still get the same installation flexibility. The main differences are, firstly, it supports DDR4 memory, which offers faster performance and better bandwidth compared to the DDR3L in the previous model. And also, it comes with larger screen sizes, 21.5 and 23.8 inches, which are ideal if you need more visual workplace for detailed monitoring or control interfaces. And looking ahead, I'm very happy to share that we will be launching the SIO 300 ADL in Q3. And one of its key highlights is that it will be UL listed, making it a strong fit for applications that require certified safety and compliance. And it will be powered by the Intel N97 processor and will support DDR5 memory, bringing improved performance and efficiencies to hygiene-critical environments. So we're looking forward to revealing more as we get closer to launch, so keep an eye out. So after diving into the details of each models, I would like to wrap up with a broad comparisons across the 4 series. Starting with HIO, this is our open frame solutions designed for OEM integration. It falls under the mid-performance tier, powered by the Intel N97 processor. And one of its standout features is its open frame designs, which allows access to internal I/O headers, offering up to 10 USB ports. And it supports 3 screen sizes, 10.1, 15.6, and 21.5 inches. Next is the AIO series, our all-in-one solutions for streamlined industrial deployments. It supports both the N97 and more advanced Intel Atom X7835RE processors, which is great for multitasking. And key differentiators include support for up to 3LAN port, 5G connectivity, and UL certification. And screen size options are the same as HIO, 10.1, 15.6, and 21.5 inches. Then we have the VIO series, which stands out for its modular and rugged design. It falls under the mid-tier performance category and supports for 7 screen sizes from 12.1 to 23.8 inches in both 4:3 and 16:9 aspect ratios. It also supports a hot swappable 2.5 inches SATA storage, canvas, and power injection. Last but not least is our SIO series, the most premium options in the lineup, specifically designed for hygiene-sensitive environments. It ranges from entries to mid-performance tier, with CPU options like the J1900 and i5-8365UE. Core features include a full SUS316 stainless steel enclosure, IP69K rating, rugged waterproof M12 I/O, and a built-in pressure vent for sealed environments. And it supports 4 screen sizes from 15 to 23.8 inches. Alright, so now that we have covered all 4-panel PC series, and you probably have a good sense of what each one is designed for. But let's be real, choosing the right HMI can still feel a little overwhelming, and we get it. With so many features and options out there, it's not always easy to know which one fits your application best. That is exactly why we put together a decision toolkit. It's a super helpful step-by-step guide that walks you through what to consider, like things like pain points, environments, performance needs, and what features actually matter for your use case. And what's great about that is that it also includes a checklist, so you can quickly evaluate your requirements and narrow down your options without a guesswork. And the best part is completely free. So if you're interested, just head to the link on the screen and grab your copy today. Alright, so that's wrap up today's sessions. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I hope this webinar gave you a clear picture of Premio's panel PC lineup and how each series fits into different industrial applications. If you would like to explore more helpful resources, feel free to check the link. And if you have any questions, feedback, or just want to chat about your specific needs, we would love to hear from you. You can reach us through the link, and we're always here to help. Thank you again for joining, and I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.